a Bauchi-based medical practitioner, Mohammed Bashir, says Nigeria must develop and produce its own vaccines to achieve the universal health coverage. Dr. Mohammed speaks on how childhood immunization can be more effective throughout the country. Adamu Imam files in the report.
National Immunization Coverage Survey 2021 shows that Nigeria risks losing children under 5 to preventable diseases because of the lower percentage of immunization coverage despite government efforts at all levels. Commenting on the report, Dr. Bashir Mohammed, working at Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University Teaching Hospital, emphasized that Nigerian health authorities should adopt a new strategy on healthcare delivery, including immunization against killer diseases.
If you can produce in your country, first you create a lot of jobs for your people. You create industries which will employ people, so job security will be there. And then you also export and make money out of that. That's aside the fact that you will naturally have them whenever you need them.
The survey also pointed out that the early childhood mortality per 1,000 live births is still discouraging. The medical practitioner recommends that parents must ensure a routine immunization for every child to achieve high percentage of coverage.
You don't need to have explanation, detailed explanation of why A is equals to B or A leads to B. No, it's just faith that people have that this is it, and so they don't want it. And that is why we need to rally around and educate people effectively, right? Such that we have our traditional and religious leaders to actually get to buy in and see what we're talking about, believe in it, and then they can carry it around, because most people have, believe in them more than they believe in the government.
He pointed out that religious and cultural beliefs remain impediments to immunization, but with constant and effective communication, things will change for the better. Adamu Imam, Trust TV News, Bauchi.
The management of Media Trust Group on Monday held a career talk on practical journalism and ways to acquire jobs in an ever-growing multimedia industry. The career talk, which was held at the Postgraduate School of ABU Zaria, was attended by students and staff of the Department of Mass Communication of the university. The report.
The editor-in-chief Daily Trust newspaper, Naziru Abubakar, said the aim of the career talk was to encourage students in the media career path with a view to guiding them into the global trend of modern journalism. He stated that the Media Trust Group, the owners of Daily Trust and other trust titles, as well as Trust Television and Trust FM, is a multifaceted media group that has a social responsibility of grooming young students in journalism to suit the digital trend of subsequent enrollment into the mainstream media practice.
The whole essence is to widen our collaboration with different institutions, and also to give the students opportunity to learn more from what we do.
Abubakar noted that the initiative will motivate mass communication students across the country to strive harder to meet the industry's requirement. He assured that those aspiring to become practicing journalists will have the opportunity to do so in any of the Media Trust outfit as long as they meet the laid down requirements.
Allow them to have the opportunity to start their career with us, because we're looking for young talent.
Also speaking, the General Manager, Human Resource and Development Service, Media Trust Group, Hadiza Ibrahim Bala, said the company has an initiative where students who excelled with first class are absorbed and retained. She, however, explained that not only first class students are recruited in the company, but also those with experience and special skills like digital know-how.
If you have read journalism, there is a lot of opportunity out there for you to practice what you read in school and to be able to work in one of the best media companies in Nigeria.
Earlier, the Dean Faculty of Social Sciences, Shamsuddin Mohammed, while expressing gratitude to Media Trust Group for providing practical training to the students, he urged other media organizations to emulate the gesture.
And we are planning to extend this not only to media organizations, also to public relations and advertising firms, so that they inform our students what is expected of them. Because the industry is changing.
It is very much impactful. from what we have learned from them, because we here in school always used to teach them about very theoretical aspects of communication generally. And today there was an opportunity for them to be exposed to how they can have a career choice.
Adamu hoped that a more robust partnership could be rolled out between the department and Media Trust Group to enable the department acquire more practical knowledge. Highlight of the career talk was the presentation of Campus Herald newspaper, edited and published by final year students of the institution to the editor-in-chief of Daily Trust. Isa Ismaila, Trust TV News.